How to complete human verification in Sproutgigs. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. So starting off, all you have to do is head over to your Sproutgigs. Now in here you can just go ahead and select on the categories that you want to be part of in your Sproutgigs. To verify yourself as a human, it is nevertheless than any other website. Firstly, you have to understand your seller role and why you are actually on your Sprout Gig. Once you have made sure of it, you need to register in your Sprout Gigs. Once you have completely registered, now you can visit on or click on the link provided by you by the Sprout Gig. You also have to fulfill some of the tasks assigned to you by Sprout Gigs. Now once you have done all of that, the most important part is the CAPTCHA verification. It may provide you some of the puzzles that you can easily solve by following the instruction provided by you. The CAPTCHA is the most important part for your verification. Once you have provided with the verification, now you will be able to pass the human verification in your Sprout Geek. And that wraps up this tutorial as well. We hope that you found this informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.